balls set by the driver? What did I get? I think I got 8. Yeah, a little bit full.
Wow.
In 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's
7, 6, 7, 8, 9.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11, yeah.
Say 11.
11. Well, this is the guy who's just done the impossible. Please.
I've done better, done worse, indoors.
Time? Time, boss?
Well, the time was 5:70, but it's all relative to this because we got to wait. So
5-7.
we got to wait on 2 passes. But yeah, I mean, I started here and just, to me, I'm seeing that front side just like a little bouncing ball. It's just going, and I'm trying to like keep that on that circle. So, I mean, sometimes I can get more in, sometimes less in, but I can do that all day long and know that I'm getting pretty much every shot right in here somewhere. Because I'm seeing the sight out. We're actually
Target is well.
only going to take the ones in the circle on this. As
Just patch in the circle, yeah? Like easy.